there, thanks for joining me for coloring. Today we're going to be working on this adorable Whimsy Stamps image called Maya. I'll put a link to the card kit and all the supplies I use down in the description box. I would really appreciate you shopping with me. It really helps me out. So anyway, the colors we're using for our Copic markers are over listed on the store's blog post for this card. I always make sure to make up a pin card so that you can pin it on your Pinterest board and save it for later. So if you want to find all the colors I use, make sure to head down to the store blog, and there's a link down in the description box towards the bottom, and it'll take you directly to this blog post and show you a pin card at the bottom. And I really like the pin cards because you can save them for later and go back and check your pin cards or your pin board and see what kind of colors you have in there and pick one you like. So let's say I really liked her hair this time, the next time I could go search for that and be like, oh, I really love that hair color. And I could just check out the pin card and it tells me exactly what colors I used on her hair, her skin, her dress, the flower, all that kind of stuff. But it's an easy way, rather than having a bunch of post-it notes laying around, to save those things on a pin card. So I do that every time so that you will definitely have a chance to save those for a later coloring day. So you are watching the fast forward version of this video. There's a real-time version also. I did the class live on my channel, so if you want to watch that, you can go watch that. It took me about an hour to color the girl up, and so this is way faster than that, but you can see the real-time one. You can see up close and personal and how slow I go and kind of see every little detail, so it kind of makes it nice if you're just learning and want to figure all that stuff out. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching the coloring. If you have a question, make sure to leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. So, you know, it helps my channel out if people hit the like button so that YouTube knows that people want to watch that. If you're not a subscriber yet, make sure to do that and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video, or if I'm doing a live class so you can come join me. So anyway, I hope you're having a fabulous day and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.